Namaste. My name is Lakshmi. Now, I want to say something about how do you identify the notes of a song or varnam or kriti, anything else, just by listening to it. For example, I'll give you a tune of varnam. For this, how to find swaras. Okay, the swaras are ka ka ri sa sa ri ka ri, like. How did I identify this? Is there any formula or any process so that whenever you hear a tune, you are able to immediately convert it into the notes or swaras? Let's take a look. You have to understand this. Go back to your childhood for a few minutes. Do you remember for the first time you learned how to identify a color or an alphabet? How did your parents teach you the difference between red, blue, green, yellow, and so on? Now, initially, they would show you all the colors separately, what red looks like, what green looks like, what yellow looks like, and so on. So the brain initially stores that information. Now, after that, when you're looking same colors again and again, different order and different combinations each time, and reinforces that information in the brain, and so it becomes more and more sure, more and more familiar of these colors. And once you are comfortable with this step, what do? Your mother takes you out somewhere, shows you a random object, and asks you, identify this color. Immediately your brain does not mapping. You says that is the same green that I saw in my palette. And because of that, you identify that's green. And music is no different. Instead of training the eyes, we are going to train that the ears, so that the ear and the brain develop the perfect rapport and help us identify the notes of any sound that we hear. So, first, your teacher would teach you the basic swaras. She would say that this is what sa sounds like, sa, this is what re sounds like, and so on. So first she would give you some information of the positions of each swara, and your brain would store that. Now coming to the second step, when we will do exercise using different combinations of these swaras, if you learn classical music, you would have already done that. So we keep revisiting the same seven swaras using different patterns and different combinations, so that each time we reinforce this information to our brain. But this will happen only if you sing a lot of awareness and consciousness. If I just blindly memorize these exercises and then keep singing it, then even if you learned 100 exercises, you may not know the swarasthanas exactly. Now come to the step 3. When you are going to test, how will your brain understand the swarasthanams? So let's play looking game for this. Write the names of all 7 swaras on 7 chits of papers and shuffle it and pick up one swara. Whatever you get, you have to sing it. So if you get ga, you have to try and place it ga. If you get ma, if you get pa, pa. If you get ni, ne, like that. So now pick up two swaras. Gari, gari, nipa, nipa. So on, like that. The same way for three swaras, four swaras, like that. Now comes to the fourth step, which is exact opposite third step. That is, you saw a swara and try to sing it. Now we are going to listen to sound and try to guess what would be the swara. For example, if you hear a sound like ga, how to sing ga? If you get hear a sound pa, pa, like that. Same steps can be followed for any style of music. But you know, it's not that simple. Though there are only four steps, there are also multiple layers. So far, we only see plain notes, that too only in one raga. So once you finish this, we have to do the same steps on another raga as well. Then you want bring in other octaves, lower octave, upper octave. Then you will want bring in gamakas, brigas. Then you will want make it faster. Try faster phrases. You are able to do these steps. So for each layer, you have to do all these four steps and do them thoroughly. So that takes a quite better effort and time essence. Be prepared for that. One more thing is, I would like to say that identifying the notes, ear training in general is not an independent subject. You cannot go to a teacher and say that only want to learn how to identify the notes or swaras. That's not how it works. Only a part of your music training. As and when you learn and exercises or sounds parallelly, you keep sharpening your ear and your brain as well, so that it is able to identify notes. You will make it apt to do this along with your regular music training. And I am sure that the time you will definitely be able to identify the notes of a sound better. So, finally, I want to say some any song, film, whatever it may be, if either film song or classical song or any song, you hear the song, how to identify swaras immediately. You cut that each and every bit, every part. Then first you have to identify the swaras for that sahitya or that tune. Then you go to next. Like that, you have to find the swaras for any sahitya. That it is a film music, film song, or a classical song, classical kriti or classical varnam, anything, whatever it may be. Like that, we have to find for all sahityam, sahityam, we have to find swarasthanas. Like this, we have to find swaras. Thank you very much.